PLA and PAL. PLA is what? PLA is a programmable logical array. A programmable logical array consists of two planes, and or. The AND plane consists of programmable interconnect along with AND gates. See, I'll show you the logic diagram here. This is what? This is PLA. Here, two planes are here. See, I'm telling you. This is what? This is AND plane. This is what? This is OR plane. Our equation is usually defined like this, like A B bar plus AB plus something. Yeah. So we need what? A NOT gate for what? This bar. One OR gate for this plus operation and one AND gate for this multiplication. Clear? So this is what I was talking about. The PLA consists of two planes, AND plane and OR plane. The AND plane consists of programmable interconnect along with AND gates, and OR plane consists of programmable interconnect with OR gate. So each of inputs can be connected to AND gate with any number of inputs by using crossover points. See, these are crossover points. You can see this cross X. So these are crossover points. So whenever you wanted to show any connection, you need to put this crossover point onto that. Okay, we usually put a circle. So these crossover points are used to define a connection between two interconnects. Okay, so this is the way. So this is the simple logical diagram of a PLA. See, each of the inputs can be connected to AND gate with any number of inputs by connecting the crossover point of vertical and horizontal interconnect line in a AND programmable interconnect. Similarly, we can use this theory onto OR plane. Means initially the crossover points are not electrically connected, but whenever we configure the PLA, these crossover points will connect together. So AND gate is seen with a single line to the input, but it does not mean that vertical lines cannot be connected. It means that whenever we put a cross marks, then it is showing connected. Without that cross marks, we means that connections are disconnected. So single output from each of the AND gate is applied to OR gate. See, single output like A bar B bar is applied to each OR gate, and whenever we want to generate this into output like O1 O2 O3 O4, we will connect a cross point onto that. If we don't want to connect that, we don't need to put cross that. See here, this point is not connected here. So this is what? This is your PLA. Now if we talk about PAL, PAL is what? PAL is a similar thing of PLA, but in PLA both are programmable. Both are programmable means what? See, in PLA crossover points are generated, are shown on both sides, means on AND plane on and OR plane. But in PAL only AND planes are programmable, OR planes are fixed. You can see this OR plane is fixed, so we will put a dot mark here, but in OR plane AND plane we will put a cross mark. So this is the basic difference, nothing else. So whenever it comes, you will simply define like it's defined in PLA. But in PAL, you just need to define that it is all planes are fixed, but and planes are programmable. Whereas in PLA, both planes mean and or. Both planes are programmable. Am I clear to you all? Please tell me.